analysing Gracie's hair, looking at the texture, the density, and chatting through how her hair normally behaves, we can see that the hair is slightly finer. There's lots of hair, but the hair itself is finer, and we want to encourage a little bit more body, a little bit more lift at the root, because naturally it can often be a little flat. So we are going to use the SEALIGHT range of products. SEALIGHT is designed for finer hair, conditioning the hair and scalp, but creating a frizz-free and instant volume. It's going to restore moisture and softness to the hair at the same time. We're going to follow the SEALIGHT shampoo by using the SEALIGHT mask. The mask is designed to restore moisture, smooth the cuticle, deeply nourishing and repairing any damage caused by the lightening and chemical process used on the hair. It's also going to help us to control the frizz and have long-lasting results, not weighing the hair down, allowing us to get the volume and body at the root. We're now going to apply the SEALIGHT Volume Moisture Shampoo. The SEALIGHT shampoo is the perfect shampoo for fine hair, creating a frizz-free body and instant volume, restoring the moisture and softness at the same time. As with all of the L'Alga products containing the L'Alga Nord 5 complex, making sure we deliver all of the conditioning elements into the hair using the L'Alga technology. We're now going to use the SEALIGHT mask. This is designed to restore the moisture and smooth the cuticle, whilst deeply nourishing, repairing any damage caused by colouring, chemical services, heat styling, or environmental damage. But it's a lightweight formula giving frizz control and making sure we maintain as much volume, leaving the hair feeling fuller and thicker. We're now going to apply the SEALIGHT Volume Spray. This spray is specifically designed to be sprayed into the roots of the hair. It's going to give me the volume and body that I need. It needs to be sprayed only onto the roots of the hair because it needs the heat both of the scalp and of the hairdryer to activate the product, giving it the volume and lift it needs. If the product is sprayed onto the mid-lengths and ends of the hair, it can sit and make the hair weigh down, not giving the full and best effects of the product. As soon as I've applied the product, I need to very quickly take the heat from the hairdryer and my brush, lifting the hair as I blow dry to activate the volumizing spray, giving best results possible. Now the hair is blow dried and finished, if you want to add extra volume and lift at the root, we can go back in and use a little more of the SEALIGHT Volume Spray, spraying on 1 or 2 sprays per section of hair directly at the root area before immediately blow drying the hair, lifting from the root to activate the product. We're going to finish the hair using the SEALIGHT Serum. This is a multi-purpose lightweight serum spray that adds volume to fine hair. When you are spraying and working with this product, it's important to avoid the root area. We don't want to contradict the volume spray we've used on the root, flattening the hair, so we concentrate the spray around the mid-lengths and ends. This is going to prevent frizz, improve the hair's elasticity, and give softness and shine. What do you think?
My hair has never had this much volume.
Yeah, it's great.
Amazing.
You can see all the lift at the root, like all the way through, and when you kind of push it as well, you'll be able to lift the hair through the day, and it will see the volume and continually kind of lift itself up.